The next program that we will write is write a program to check whether a number x lies within the range of y1 and y2. So I think you can understand this program, understand the purpose of this program. The user will be inputting three numbers. He will be inputting x, he will be inputting y1 and he will be inputting y2. So after getting these three variables y1, y2 and x, I will have to check whether the number x inputted by the user lies within the range of y1 and y2. So how to write this program? Don't you forget that firstly I will have to comment out this line because this is not a part of the program. So this should not be actually compiled by the compiler. So this is just for our understanding purpose. What is the purpose of our program? Whether x lies within the range of y1 and y2. Now I have to start the program again. So let me go ahead with our normal procedure. Hash include stdio.h followed by hash include kunio.h hash include kunio.h followed by the main. Now I start with the program. As you can understand, I will have to go with clear screen. Then as you can understand that I will have to firstly think of these three variables. One is x, the other one is y1, the other one is y2. So three variables are needed. So int x, y1 and y2, int x, y1 and y2, three variables are needed. Now I have to check whether this variable x, the value of this variable x which is entered, is within the range of y1 and y2, that is whether it is falling within this range. Example, let me go for an example. Suppose x has been entered as 45, y1 has been entered as 30 and y2 has been entered as 65. Okay, 65. So x is 45, so definitely it falls within the range of y1 and y2. So I can definitely say that yes, x is falling within y1 and y2. But say suppose y1 was assigned a value of 50, then 50 to 65 is the range of y1 and y2. 45, which is the value of x, is not falling within the range of y1 and y2. In that case we will have to say no. So I think you understand this program. So let us go ahead with it. So I will have to firstly ask the user printf enter the range y1 and y2. So I will put a /n so that the two numbers can be entered from here, from the next line. So /n is entered over here. Now how to scanf. So I need two %d once more, scanf %d. I will have to scan it within y1 and I have to scan it within y2. So I have scanned y1 and y2. Now I will have to again ask the user printf. It is better to do it in two ways. Let us not enter three things at the same time. That is, I am not asking the user enter the number which you want to check, enter the range which you want to check, all at a time I am not asking. I am firstly asking the user for the range and then I am telling the user enter the number which you want to check for being in the range or not. So here only one number will be entered. Here I don't use /n, so immediately one number can be entered. So now I can understand that I will have to scan again. Where will I scan it? Scanf %d, definitely &x. I will have to scan it within the variable x and I will have to check whether the variable x lies within the range of y1 and y2. So how to do it? This program is similar to that previous program where I had written that whether a number is a 3-digit number, where I needed to check whether it falls within the range of 100 to 999. It is almost the same number. So I will have a same program. So I will have to check if x is greater than equal to y1 and x is less than equal to y2, that is it is greater than y1 but greater than equal to y1, that is it is y1 or greater than y1, and also it is less than y2 or equal to y2, then only I can say x is lying between y1 and y2. Say again my old example, x is 45, y1 is say not 50, say 30, and y2 is 65. So 45 lies within the range of 30 and 65, definitely 45 falls within this range. So see how this logic works. 45, x is 45, 45 is greater than equal to y1, 45 is definitely greater than 30, greater than equal to 30, and 45 is less than equal to y2, that is less than equal to 65, which it is. So it is greater than 30, greater than equal to 30, and lesser than equal to 65. So definitely it falls within this range. So I can say with if this if block is true, within this if block I can print if the number falls within your given range. Given range. So I can say the number falls within your given range if this is true. But if this is not true, that is if it is false, then definitely the number does not fall within your range. So here I will write printf the number does not fall within your given range. So this is how I write the program to check whether a number falls within the range or not. Here I will have to end my program by writing get ch. I go out and end this program. So to check this program once more, I will input y1 and y2, the range starting and the ending point of the range, and I scan the number which I want to check. I am checking whether that number is greater than the smaller part of the range and it is lesser than the bigger part of the range. So if it falls within that, which in this case it ensures this is true, means it will go over here, it will fall within the range, so number falls within your given range. However, if x is less than y1 or it is greater than y2, it does not fall within this range, this if block will be false, then it will go here and print the number does not fall. If you check with an example over here, 45, 30 and 65, yes, 45 is greater than equal to 30, 45 is less than equal to 65, yes, 45 falls within the range. But had this y1 not been 30, but this had been 50 inputted by the user, then x is greater than equal to y1, that is 45 greater than equal to 50 would have failed, which means this if block would have failed and it would have gone to the else block and printed the number does not fall within your given range. I believe you understand this. So let me run this program now. Alt-R, enter. So enter the range y1 and y2. So use our range 30 and 65. So enter the number which you want to check for being in the range or not, 45. The number falls within your given range. Let me try out the other example. Enter x1, y1 and y2, 51 and 65, okay. The number which falls within the range or not, 45. 45 does not fall within the range. The number does not fall within your given range. Again I run, say 50 and 65 is your given range, and the number I enter is 100. 100 does not fall within the range, the number does not fall within your given range. So I think you can understand this. This is quite similar to the previous program. Achha, had this program been a little different, had this program been to check whether the number falls exactly halfway within your range or not, that is, write a program to check whether the number x lies within the range of y1 and y2, it is not that. X lies exactly midway within the range y1 and y2. I think you understand the purpose of the program. Whether a number x entered falls midway within the range of y1 and y2. Say, what is a midway? Say 30 is a starting of a range, 50 is the end of the range, which means what is the midway of the range? Midway of the range is 40. Is not so? It is midway of the range. Say for example, one number is 20, the other is 80. What is midway of the range? The midway of the range is 50, 30 this side, 20 plus 30 is 50, 50 plus 30 is 80, midway of the range. How you can check this program? Or maybe another example I take, say 85 and 99. So 85 and 99, if you take the number 92, it is midway of the range, because 85 plus 7 makes it 92 and 92 plus 7 makes it 99. Example, let me take an example over here. Again, let me write this example and explain you once more. Say, as I told you, 85 and 99 is your given range, 85 to 99. So what is midway of the range? Midway of this range is midway of this range is, I can say it is 92. 92 falls midway. How? 85 plus 7 is 92, 92 plus 7 is 99, so 92 is exactly midway of the range. So you can also check how I can write this program. You can write this program this way, that 85 plus 99, what is that? If you take the two endpoints of the range, the starting point and the ending point of the range, if you take, it is 85 and 99, you simply write 85 plus 99. What does it make? It makes 184, and then you take this 184 and divide it by 2, what do you get? 92. So the midway of the range is 92. So if you are asked to check whether the number falls midway of the range or not, what you do is you scan these numbers within y1 and y2. So you will have to, these two numbers in y1 and y2. So you will have to make y1 plus y2 and divide it by 2, that is y1 plus y2 by 2. You check out, this 85 is y1 in our example, this 99 is y2 in our example. So this is y1 plus y2, this y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is the number 92. You will have to check whether the given number 9x, that is 92, is equal to that or not. That is how you write the program. So this part remains the same, int x, y1, y2, enter the range. Now enter the number which you want to check for being midway in the range or not. How will you check whether it falls midway in the range or not? Very simple. What you do is you simply check whether x is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. That is, this checking is, I will have to do y1 plus y2. Then this y1 plus y2 together I will have to divide by 2, and then I will have to check whether the entered number x is equal to that or not. See, check out what? y1 plus y2 is your addition of the range. In our example that I had shown you over here, that is 85 to 99, I will have to do 85 plus 99 over here divided by 2. So here also I am doing exactly the same thing. I am checking y1 plus y2 and I am dividing it by 2, and I am checking whether x is equal to that or not. So I put this whole thing within the bracket, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. If it is equal to x, then you can say the number falls midway within your given range, else the number does not fall within your given range. So this is how you write the program, as simple as that. So let me run this program. I think you have understood this. Let me run this program. Alt enter y1 and y2. So let me check that only. 85, 99, and the number which you want to check for being midway in the range or not is 92. So I enter 92. Yes, the number falls within your given range. The number falls exactly within your given range, midway within your given range. Now suppose I take another example, 30 and 50, and midway within your range is 40. So check, number falls within your given range. You check out with a negative example, 30, 50 and say 42. Does not fall within your given range, does not fall within your given range, it has been outputted. Now say for example, I check with a different example, 30, 50, not 50, 49, 30 and 49, and I see what is within this range. You say 30 and 49 is a difference of 19. So exactly midway within your range is not possible, because 19 by 2 is 9.5. So if I write between 30 and 49 is 40, is it true? It does not fall. Oh, it is, there's a mistake I have done. In this program I have missed out this midway. I should have written does not fall midway within your given range. So I run the program again. Suppose it is 30 and 49 and I check for 40. It does not fall midway within your given range. But you check out the same example 30, 49, and if I check with 39, then it will say it falls midway within your given range. Why? Because 30 plus 49 makes it 79. 79 by 2 makes it 39. The integer is 39. So if I enter 39, it will say it will fall within your given range. In fact, 30 to 39 is a difference of 9 and 39 to 49 is a difference of 10. Exact midway is not possible, but this is more or less the midway. You can say it falls midway within your given range. So I think you have understood with all possible examples of this, and you can write such programs easily. So let us take a bit of rest and come back and start with another program.